Good day, everyone. I am Colonel Jerobi Toledo from BS Cream 1 Charlie. The topic that we will discuss is about France policing system. Here are the contents of our discussion. History of France policing system, France vision, mission, and motto, ranking and governance of France, France police qualification and training. The first content that we will tackle is the brief history of France policing system. The French police system is defined by its highly centralized dualist structure featuring the civilian police nationale, urban, and military gendarmerie nationale, rural. So, ang police system kang France may darwa ka organization, amo ang police nationale kag gendarmerie nationale. Ang police nationale amo ang nagapatupad kang public safety sa sangka urban like mga sa city ang mga raka population para ma-avoid ang sangka crime. So ang gendarmerie naman amo ang mga gabantay sa mga community like di gaano taho sa like sa mga probinsya ag na may same as sanda sa mga military while sa Police Nationale is focus sanda sa mga crime gid. Next, medieval beginnings 6th to 17th century. Early forms of policing were local night watches and militias in 1667. King Louis created the Lieutenant General of Police in Paris, marking the start of centralized policing. So, ang medieval nag-start 6th to 17th century nga ang mga pulis kung kada gabii nagabantay sa anda nga militias para ma-avoid ang sangka crime. And also, King Louis nag-create karang nga General of Police in Paris para ma-start ang centralized policing sa France. Next is organizational mandates of France law enforcement. The vision of France law enforcement is to overarching mission of all French security forces is to safeguard national institution, uphold the rule of law, and protect people and property. So meaning man natin nga ang mission kang French law enforcement to maka-provide kang security and safeguard national institution and also maka-provide kang rule of law and protect people and property. The vision of French law enforcement emphasized proximity, digital transformation, and international cooperation to meet modern security challenge. So meaning ang vision kang French law enforcement nag-emphasize ka proximity. So proximity ang umaga ang sangka organization nga sa French law enforcement may proximity nga tawag nga cooperation like nga kung maka-provide kang dasig nga information so maka-prevent kang crime kag maka-provide ka safety ka sangka citizen sa France. Each major branch of French law enforcement follow its own distinct motto, while all operates under the national republican values of liberty, equality, fraternity. So meaning, ang liberty amo ang kalayaan kasangka individual, equality amo ang equal rights kasangka individual, while fraternity amo ang group of people nga may common goals. The mottos of agency Police Nationale Pro Patria Vigilant, Latin for they are watching for their country. So amo ang motto kang Police Nationale nga may loyalty kag ready mag-defend kang anda nga nation. National Gendarmerie Nationale. Pour la patrie, l'honneur et le droit, Friends for the Fatherland, Honor and Law. So, ang Pour la Patrie, l'Honneur et le Droit, amo dya ang motto ka Gendarmerie Nationale para mag-protect ka anda nga homeland and also mag-protect ka anda nga law. So, the next topic we'll discuss of my group mates, Prince Lawrence Serbillion.
Good day everyone, my name is Prince Lawrence Serbillion. I discussed this topic of France law enforcement ranking and governance. Ministry of the Interior oversees the Police Nationale and the Prefecture of Police in Paris. Ministry of Armed Forces oversees the Gendarmerie Nationale, Director General. Pinuno ng buong Police Nationale, Commissaire Divisionnaire. Senior Officer namumuno sa malalaking unit, Commissaire Commandant. Mid-level Officer namumuno sa mga distrito o lungsod, Inspector Brigadier. Junior Officer, Investigasyon at Patrol, Guardian de la Paix. Base rank karaniwang pulis na nasa, Director General. Pinuno ng buong Gendarmerie, General Colonel. Senior Officer namumuno sa malalaking division, Captain Major. Mid-level Officer namumuno sa mga unit at operasyon, Lieutenant. Junior Officer, direktang namumuno sa mga Gendarme. Base rank karaniwang sundalo, pulis na nasa frontline. So, proceed tayo sa France Police Qualifications and Training. Nationality: must be a French citizen. Age: maximum 35 years old on January 1 of the competition year. Education: high school diploma or equivalent for standard officers. Training master degrees is required for police commissioners. Background: clean criminal record and good moral standing. Physical: good physical condition. Police National Civilian. Officers training, National Police Schools. Training covers law, ethics, human rights, criminal procedure, patrol, traffical, firearms, and crowd control. Duration is about 12-18 months, depending on rank. Gendarmerie Nationale Military. Training takes place in military academies. Focus is on rural policing, military discipline, and national defense. Elite units like GIGN undergo advanced tactical training.